Yeah, Chief Justice Gordon MacDonald said he was not aware of this meeting between Justice Hans Marconi and the governor. He says that he was angry to learn that she claimed being kept off cases because of an investigation would burden other justices. He says that was not the case.
The big takeaway is that the Attorney General's office is being pretty careful about this investigation.
Newly filed paperwork shows State Supreme Court Justice Ana Barbara Hans Marconi sent an email requesting a meeting with Governor Chris Sununu. That email said she wanted to discuss a personal matter involving an immediate member of her family. The paperwork says the governor called the Chief Justice prior to that meeting, who said he was unaware of it. This contradicts what Hans Marconi's lawyers have to say, that Chief Justice Gordon MacDonald okayed the meeting, saying he believed she would be able to meet with the governor because she was a constituent with concerns. Legal expert Jesse O'Neill read the transcript.
Perhaps the conversation happened and he didn't remember it, but the fact that there's now that discrepancy between Justice Hans Marconi's legal team's position or statement and what the interview with the Chief Justice says may be significant.
The governor again called the Chief Justice after that meeting. Sununu said Hans Marconi told him she would need to disqualify herself from 40% of the workload because of ties to the AG's office. She claimed that placed a burden on the other justices. Chief Justice MacDonald said that made him angry because there are policies and procedures in place for this kind of situation, and all the work would be completed.
It's something that's not completely uncommon, and I think experienced judges are used to, the fact that their colleagues may need to recuse themselves and that somebody may need to pick up the slack.
Now, the next court date for this hearing, the next hearing for this matter is on February 3rd. We're live in Portsmouth. Kelly O'Brien, WMUR News 9.